Hi guys, so I just got off of work. It's Friday, and I wanted to show you guys real quick what I got from Target's dollar spot. They had so much good stuff. I had to like walk away from most of it. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I got. So this wasn't from the dollar section, but I seen it like on my way out, and it was like $10.48. And it's a cute marble water bottle. I had to get it. It's too cute. Then I got Maddie 2 things of hangers because she needed them so bad. Then I got her these string lights to like hang on her bed because they're so cute. And then I got this super cute Valentine's Day heart mug. I absolutely love it. And this was like $3. These were $3 and these were $1 each. That was $10.48. Then I got her these LOL surprise Valentine's Day packets so she could give them out to her cousins, and these were $3. Then I got her this little unicorn painting thing so she could have a little craft to do, and I got her 2 of these unicorn window clings because she loves them. Hi guys, good morning. I'm whispering right now because Madison is sleeping. It's 8:36. Poor baby girl was actually throwing up. So she was throwing up last night. She like has a really bad cough. Like she's not sick, like she just has a runny nose and has a bad cough. So she's a little sick. So she was coughing so much that she threw up last night. And I just felt so bad for her because speaking of the baby. Hi!
What?
Good morning!
Nanny.
Good morning. And she's up. I was gonna edit a video, but I guess not.
Yeah?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? How'd you sleep? You feeling better? She loves the keyboard on this.
I photo.
Yeah. You're so beautiful. I'm drinking out of my new coffee mug. I got this from Target's dollar section, like I said yesterday. And it was $3.
We found one.
What, baby? You're so beautiful.
Hello. Hi guys, window.
Hi guys, so I just pulled up to my mom's house. Maddie's getting impatient because she wants some of my drink. So I seen like Aaron Williams like posted like about the dragon coconut drink or whatever. And I was like, ooh, that looks really good. So I wanted to try it, and it's actually pretty good. So this is what it looks like. You just ask for coconut milk instead of water. It's so yummy. You guys definitely have to try it. But I'm gonna go into my mom's house and say hi and hang out with her for a bit. So I'll see you guys when I get out. Hi guys. So we're on our date night right now, and we are at Cane's. We were gonna go to Cheddar's, but
It's not really day night anymore.
that is a date night.
It's not too fast food place.
I think it's a date. Anyways, we went to Big Lots. We were like doing the most random stuff. We went to Big Lots. Josh got a fan. Men, they're so dumb. Then we found a sofa that we kind of we're thinking of purchasing. So, yeah. And then, what else did we do? Then we went to Steinmart. They didn't really have anything in there. And now we're at Cane's. And Maddie's at her grandma's house. I miss her so much already. Ugh. Okay, let me text her. What did she say? LOL, the manners and this girl, she gets a drink or something. Hi guys, so it's Sunday and we are on our way to go pick up Maddie. I'm so excited. It's 11:30. Sunday fun day, hey. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up Madison. And then we're gonna go to Southlands to meet with our friends, and then we're gonna go to like H&M and like look for something for my friends' like party, and then we're gonna go grab some lunch, go home, and relax. I'm super excited.
Me too.
Josh isn't. He doesn't like doing stuff.
Shopping.
Well, you act like we're going on a shopping
Like
spree.
if we were going snowboarding, that would be cool.
Hi guys, so we're finally on our way home. We went shopping today. My friend unfortunately couldn't find anything that she liked or wanted to wear. I found some cute things for super cheap.
No way.
What?
The Eagles are gonna fucking
Go to Super Bowl again?
Oh my god.
That's silly.
Well, not yet, but they're on they're fucking. Oh, it's only second quarter.
And Addie's pretending to fake cough.
Oh no, are you okay?
go,
Oh,
babe.
she's crying away. Damn, this is
Okay, anyways, so yeah. We went to H&M. I got 2 items from there, some dress pants and a black blazer. And fortunately enough, that blazer was actually on sale for $17. And then the pants I got were only like $5. That was a steal. And then we went to New York & Company. They were having a huge clearance. And I got like a really cute shirt for work for like $12. And then we went to lunch at Chili's. I am so full, like I want to like throw up.
What did you eat, babe?
I ate a ham burger.
And?
A hamburger. Or burger. Burger. Hamburger.
After you say it a lot, it sounds like you're saying it wrong.
Yeah. Hamburger. I had a hamburger. Okay. So then I had a hamburger, and then we went to TJ Maxx. Didn't find anything there. And then we just called it a day with my friend because we were just so tired. Like, it's already 4 o'clock. We've been hanging out since 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 hours. Sorry. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 hours. And then we went to Sam's Club and we got a bunch of healthy stuff. It's like, not really. We got water, and then we got these 2 juice cleansers that, like, my dad said he already lost 10 pounds just drinking it. I'm not sure if it's 10. I think like 5.
I think like 5.
But either way, shit, losing some pounds, yeah. So we got 2 of these juice cleansers. I'll show you guys when we get to the house. A case of water. What else did we get? I got some pomegranate pod thingies. Like, they come like pre-cut into a case. So I got those for work. And then I got 2 salad thingies for work. We got lemonade. What else did we get? And 2 things of rice. And I'll show you guys the clothes that I got when I get home, and I'll do like a try on for you guys so you guys could see. Yeah. But it was a pretty good day. I'm just like so ready to go home and just relax, watch some TV, and hang out. And then for dinner tonight, I'm making teriyaki chicken with white rice and some veggies on the side. And then I'm gonna take that to work tomorrow. Okay guys, I want to show you everything we got. So these are the drinks I was telling you guys about, the ones that like are supposed to help you lose weight. So we got 2 of these. These were $8 and we got them at Sam's Club. So we've got 2 of these. And then it has like apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collard greens, lemon, mint tea, ginger, spinach. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is. And I'm not sure what that is. So it has like a bunch of stuff in it. And it's only 67 calories. So that's pretty cool. Then we got some lemonade for Maddie. 2 things of rice. These were $5 each. These were $5. I got these pomegranate scoop thingies that I could take to work. And then I got these salads for work. And then a case of water. So I do want to show you guys what I got. So I got a shirt from New York & Company. And this is it. It kind of looks like old lady-ish, but it's for work. It's super cute. And it has these like cute little crystals on it. I like the rose petal that it is. And it's just like a long sleeve collared shirt. And I love this. This was only 12 bucks. Then from H&M, I got myself some work pants. I needed work pants so bad, so I just got these black ones. These were actually on clearance for only 5 bucks. And they originally were $30. So, yeah, I got these. And then I got this super cute black blazer. And it's so cute. It has like this little pocket on it. And this was $17. Originally was $35. And then I got a lint roller because I wear black a majority of the time. So I'm always like linty from like washing it or whatever. So yeah, I got this lint roller and this was like $3. So let me try it on for you guys just so you guys can see what it looks like. And so I could see what it looks like. I really love it. Like, it's super cute. I've been wanting a black blazer for so long. And you could wear it in like summertime too. And it's super thin. So yeah, this is a black blazer. And if it's very comfortable, it's like not super snug or anything. I love it. Let's see. And like the bottoms unfold, but I think I'll leave it like this or fold it higher. I like this. It's so cute. With this, it does button at the top, but I'm not going to button that right now because I feel like it's going to be a mission to unbutton. It's super cute, definitely professional looking, and I love the little like links right here. Look at how pretty those are. That's the detail on it. So I think it's super cute and professional. And then these are the pant legs. They're definitely they're like a straight, thin leg. And I love them. So I love this outfit. Like, I love how cute it looks. And I'm definitely going to wear it tomorrow to work and with like my flats. Alright guys, dinner is done. This is Maddie's. It's just a teriyaki chicken. But it doesn't have too much teriyaki sauce. With rice, and then I put veggies on mine. But I put beans on hers. Because I know she'll eat this. So we're gonna eat some dinner and then probably head to bed. I'm like so tired. I gotta clean, of course, before bedtime, but I'm gonna relax for a bit and then clean and then head to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you.
Say subscribe.
See you.
Bye guys.